how to block an app on Play Store. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. First thing first, you can open up the Play Store application on your device. And once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. So from the given interface, what you can do is you can go ahead and locate up your profile at the top right corner of your screen. And once you open it up, you should be finding this menu. Now from the given menu, you may head over to settings. And once you open up your settings, you may head over to family section. So the thing is, you can use a parental controls in order to set restrictions for your kids. So you need to have this option of parental controls on. So just go ahead and tap on parental controls. And then once you are here, if this is already turned, we have this option of setting content restrictions. So you can tap on apps and game. And then once you do that, you may set up your pin. And once you are inside this, what you can do is you can go ahead and restrict, like for rated for 3+, 7+, we have this S restrictions for applications available from Play Store. So if you want S restrictions, you can just go ahead and tap on it, and you can just go ahead and not select those, and you can just go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can click on allow all, including unrated. For now, let's head over to this rated for 18+, something like this, and tap on save. And then once that is done, your parental controls will block applications that you don't want for your kids or any other family members if you're the admin. So that's it for now. You may follow up the same process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.